Hi guys, welcome to my channel and surprise for you. And this is my new fridge, okay? And I made it myself. Also, the fridge is made of cardboard and paper, and it's made of glue. And I cut it. And my mother and me worked together to make this fridge. And I put the glitter, and I also put some tiny bit of tape. And this is another corner. And this is the real handle. You can easily open it. Flower pot, okay? And I made this handle by myself, and these stickers wasn't real. I found them from the street. And these are the flowers. If you like the colors, but don't be so sad. You can make one with the cardboards, but don't be so naughty. Okay, so these are the tiny stickers. And this one is bigger, and this is the glittery sticker, and this one is the handle. But this is one, and this is the big sticker. Okay? If you know, isn't it so pretty? You can make one very pretty. Okay? Now can we open it? You said yes, perfect. Ice cube, boys and girls, and this is. Don't you know anything? This is hot dog. And these are apples. And this is pineapple. And this is kiwi. And this is banana. These are toys. Let me show some more. This is lemon. And this is grapes. And this is my frying pan. And aside, there's your egg. And this is for toast. You can make toast with a fork. If you know, this is one is the rolling one. And now for here. Now that's all of it. Like, comment, share, comments. Bye bye.